you guys. So today I bought, well, not today, but today we're going to do an unboxing of what I got from Mombi, the Happy Planner, my big ideas. So I cut the box open. I haven't opened the box. So let's get into this video. Don't mind my nose. I need to take the polish off. It didn't come with tape or nothing like that taping this down. I noticed. This is my first Happy Planner, so I am so excited, you guys. So excited. I am buying stickers and everything. I bought some stickers, but I didn't buy any stickers from them personally, but I bought everything else from them. So I'm so excited. So what I first got is fitness. So fitness, what's this? Inserts? Yeah. Fitness inserts. Let me open it a little bit. And I'm just so excited, you guys. I'm so excited. So says take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live in. I love that. So they're not dated. Oh, and it says the water totals you drink at the bottom. The weeklies are not breakfast, snack, lunch, snack, dinner. I think what I'm going to do, instead of putting the actual meals here, I'm going to put the actual exercises, what I'm actually going to do when I exercise. I think that's what I'm going to actually do instead. Progress selfie. A year from now, you will wish you had started today. Wow. You can read it. I think it's like 6 months. And then you have, oh, they got date sheets. And these are dated sheets. The dated sheets. And these are the actual, these are the months. So I have that. I am excited about that. Put that inside. Next, I got some note planners, like the note things, I say note planners, the notes lines, dotted lines, and it's in gold. The gold or rose gold? I'm not sure. Is that gold? That gold. I don't know if it's gold or rose gold. And then the backs are on all the backs. No, some of them. Okay, so like this mini is just note paper. Front and back is just the actual lined paper, and then the last couple of sheets is check boxes. It's check boxes, and then it's dotted grids on the front and the back. So I think that's pretty cool. I didn't actually know that the back was like that. Awesome. I also got some dividers. I got some dividers. I love this goat. I think I did goat because it matches my planner. Ooh, I like that. But I love that. And it says good things are going to happen. I just love this. This is so starting to get into those that much. These are cool designs. I love how the back looks like this. These are all cool designs. So those are my dividers. Wait, this divider was not right here. And this divider is right there. Yeah. Put that over here. Next, I got some dotted paper. So pretty. I got some dotted paper next. It's blue. Purple. Oh, I like that purple border. Purple's my favorite color, you guys. I love that purple border. And I got pink. And then it's blue. So green, purple, pink, and blue. Love it. Now, but not least, the planner. 2019 planner. Happy planner. So this is the 2019 Happy Planner. This is 12. This is a 12-month one. Also, oh, I forgot to go. I just love. Green is not my favorite color, but I love this border. There it is. What did I say? I love this border. That's why I actually got. I need a new link. I need some new links in my. Well, I need to take some mix and match. But I love this border. That's why I got this one though. It's because it says enjoy the wild. It's ride. Yeah, enjoy the wild ride. I just love this. It looks so pretty. I don't know what's up with me in trees and leaves, but I love it. Like I said, this is my first Happy Planner, and I'm so excited. I just love these. Just so excited. And like I said, this is 2019. Ooh, look how pretty. 2019 and 2020 layouts. I love this. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. January knows goes for this month. Celebrate. So I think every month is going to have this. This is pretty. This is January. Ooh. January's passed, so I'm going to take this out. We're about to be in March, so I am very late. Yes. But never late than never. That's what I always say. This is just so pretty. It says looks good, feel good, be good. Okay, so that's green. And you got February. Okay. And then this is August. So they're all green. That's pretty. I'm gonna put my inserts thing, my divider things in here too. That one's pretty. Great things never come from comfort zones. I just love it. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do. Oh, can you see it? I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do on this side of the page and stuff. And then in the back, okay, so in the back, it's just one notes page, and yeah, and then that's it. I am so excited. I'm probably gonna buy more inserts for this, but I am so excited to start this. Oh, it has notes on the sides. I'm so excited to start this. This is in different times carry something beautiful in your heart. Oh, I'm just so excited. to start this this happy planner, my very first one. I'm so excited. Like it's gonna be fun, I think. This will be my first time doing stickers and everything, so I'm buying a lot of stickers right now, and I'm gonna teach myself and learn how to make it all pretty. So I'm excited. So that's all I have for that I bought with them. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah, you got the teen, I know. You got the body, I know. You make me sing.